Alright guys, today I'm doing a recipe. I have, this is grass-fed farmed beef here, and I'm going to cook this up into, with a little bit of onions, and I'm going to cook it up with a little bit of vegetables, maybe some carrots, and then I'll show you what it looks like. I have to use up this onion, so I'm going to, so this is grass-fed, so it's antibiotic-free, hormone-free, all that stuff. So stay tuned, be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. I have some onions, I have some the beef. I'm going to cook it up now. This is water, so I don't like to use oil when I cook it, so I'm going to be putting some green veggies in there as well. Stay tuned. Alright, so here's my veggies. This is almost done. Once this is done, I'm going to be putting the vegetables in there and then just let it reduce. I'm going to add some herbs to it. I got some parsley and things like that, maybe some dill. I got tons of it, so I'm going to use it up. And I'll be back. Alright, so the veggies are on top now. I'm just waiting for to be finished, and I'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned. Right, so here it is all done up, and then we do a quick taste test. Here's the beef. It's really good. It's lean. It tastes like more like venison, wild game. Like I said, it's really lean, and you don't get a lot of oil in it. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below, subscribe to the channel.